Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears? Does it feel like it's slipping or hesitating between shifts? If your OBD2 scanner has detected P0751, Shift Solenoid A Performance or stuck off, this means that your transmission isn't shifting properly due to a malfunctioning shift solenoid. This can cause delayed shifting, gear slipping, or even your car getting stuck in limp mode. In this video, I'll explain what P0751 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0751? The P0751 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that Shift Solenoid A is not operating correctly or is stuck in the off position. This solenoid controls hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage gears smoothly. If this issue isn't fixed, it can lead to harsh, delayed or failed gear shifting, slipping transmission check engine light on transmission overheating, reduced fuel efficiency car stuck in limp mode. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components responsible for the problem, sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0751, check these important components. Shift Solenoid A. Location, inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function, controls fluid flow to shift gears smoothly. Transmission fluid pressure TFP sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure and ensures proper gear shifting. Transmission input, speed sensor ISS sensor. Location, on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function, tracks input shaft speed to regulate transmission performance. Transmission control module TCM/powertrain control module PCM. Location, usually found under the hood, near the battery or firewall. Function, controls solenoid operation based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the solenoids, sensors and PCM. Function, ensures stable communication. Damaged wiring can lead to solenoid failure. Common causes of P0751, faulty shift, solenoid A. If it gets stuck or fails, gear shifting is affected. Wiring or connector issues. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt solenoid function. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can block solenoids and cause shifting problems. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can trigger the code. PCM/TCM software issues. A software glitch may require an update or reset. Internal transmission problems. A failing valve body or worn clutch plates may need repair. How to fix P0751. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid A. Test its resistance with a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify sensor readings. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 5. Examine the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare data with the output speed sensor. Step 6. Test the PCM-TCM connections. Ensure they are clean and securely connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD2 scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. Final words. If left unfixed, P0751 can lead to severe transmission failure. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0368, camshaft position sensor B, circuit high input P0369, camshaft position sensor B, circuit intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.